Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be doing one of the easiest, most tastiest little popsicle treats you've ever had in your life. And Pam calls it her Necter Cream Popsicle. It's really, really simple. You need to have Barq's cream soda. You need to have a 14-ounce can of condensed milk and some popsicle holders that you can put them in before you put them in the freezer. So let's get started making it. It's real simple and it's real fast. So let's do it. You want to take your Barq's cream soda and pour 1 liter into a mixing bowl. Pour in your can of condensed milk. Then stir it up. Pour in. Don't overfill. Put the little stem down in the popsicle holder. Now, put them in the freezer. And with the magic of video, there it is. Look at that. Your own Necter Cream Popsicle. Creamy, cold, and delicious. Give it a try. Thanks for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when we come out with all our new videos. Go make you some Necter Cream Popsicles. You'll love them. And God bless you. Where is 1 liter? I just had 1 liter. Oh, liter right here, right here, right here.